Welcome back to my channel, you guys. This is Diamond Rose with another set of jobs. This company is called Addison Group, and the job role for this company is a call center scheduler. It's a remote position. It's $19 per hour, and it's based out of Acton, Massachusetts. And the job description is a large regional dermatology group is looking for several fully remote medical schedulers to join their team. This is a premier client of Addison Group, and we are looking to set up both first and second round interviews in this week. Fully remote must be located in Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Vermont, or Maine. Required. Previous medical scheduling and receptionist experience, a bright and bubbly personality who can represent the organization. Previous work from home experience preferred. It's an equal opportunity employer, and they're hiring for this position. They just posted this today, you guys. It's called Addison. The company's name is Addison Group, and the job role will be call center scheduler. It's a remote position, and it's paying $19 per hour. And you will have to be from one of these states: Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Vermont, or Maine. Okay. All right. So the next job will be HR project assistant. That's the job role for this company called Northwestern Mutual. It's a remote position, and the start pay of this job is $25 an hour to $40 per hour. And it's a full-time job position. It's a contract job. The qualifications for this job is you have to be a U.S. work authorization. Well, you have to have U.S. work authorization is required. And this is the full job description for this specific job as an HR project assistant. At Northwestern Mutual, we are strong, innovative, and growing. We invest in our people. We care and make a positive difference. Join our innovative and rapidly growing talent acquisition team in a newly created position, supporting project managers in their work. The Talent Acquisition Operations Project Coordinator will be a key team member and complete work with minimal supervision guidance, acting as a resource for colleagues and field employees. This position must be able to understand and anticipate project manager needs and may identify solutions and often acts as liaison between others. Works independently to manage and prioritize own time to meet goals and objectives. Takes a broad perspective to problems and can recognize or develop customized solutions. More time is spent on special projects and group-specific work than providing administrative support. Primary duties and responsibilities. Project administration. Schedules project team meetings, maintains meeting agendas and minutes, tracks job progress, maintains project management documentation, and produces the appropriate reports. Actively participates in meetings, offering ideas and solutions. Works under strict deadlines and assures that work is expedited through the process. Services as the primary contact for AdHOC reporting, including the following transaction: cyclical, financial or data retrieval, or special system reports reconciliation. Acts as a liaison between cross-functional teams that will include leaders and team members across the organization. Serve as content editor, coordinating material for publication on internet sites. develops an understanding of needs and expectations, and manages change to projects as necessary. Reviews metrics that pertain to projects and make recommendations for maintaining ongoing programs, may act as a point of contact for vendors and evaluates vendor performance. Coordinates special projects and events as assigned. Administrative work. Creates presentations or communications for the special project team. Provides meetings and schedule support. May include travel arrangements, coordinating team lunches, etc. Experience we would like to see is well versed in traditional PM technologies, tools, and methodology. Familiarity with project life cycle phases, PMO, strategy, project charters, project plan, timelines, roadmaps, status reports, project document management. No industry specific, but preferred added knowledge of TA/HR. Familiar with PMO practices and will be able to quickly pick up where project work is currently and assist PMs with day-to-day responsibilities with little to no explanation. Excel and PowerPoint is a must. Preferred Visio experience flow and process flowchart, Preferred and added knowledge experience of using Workday would be perfect, but not prerequisite. Grow your career with a best-in-class company that puts our clients' interests at the center of all we do. Get started now. So this is a full-time contract job and it pays $25 to $40 per hour, you guys. Let's get into it. These are great jobs, you guys. Come on, hurry up and grab them up because some of these do not last on long. All of these jobs that I'm putting out is directly from Indeed the day of when I posted, you guys. Go ahead and get into it. Like, subscribe, comment down below, hit the notification bell. Let's get into it. Now, for the HR project assistant role, it'll be Monday to Friday. And the application questions for this specific job will be, what is your previous experience within the TA/HR space? What project methodologies do you have experience of using? An experienced as a project coordinator, 3 years required. And this is a work from home position, 100%. And they're hiring for one candidate for this role, you guys. It just got posted today. So the name of the company is Northwestern Mutual. I will post the description down below of this job link. And the job role will be HR project assistant. So those are my 2 jobs for this video, you guys, for this morning. I will definitely be hitting you guys up later with a brand new set of jobs. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe because you're missing out on the greatest gems and the diamonds that I got dropping for you guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Diamond Squad, thank you guys for joining this morning because these jobs are amazing. They're epic, you guys. The door, just answer that door. The opportunity is knocking. Answer that door. Just go ahead and answer it, y'all. Go ahead and apply for these great jobs. And don't forget to like and share this video if you know someone who knows someone who knows someone who would like to get hired on any of these jobs. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.